everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Now let's go over the markets. Hey, Saga. Welcome, Saga. Welcome. All right, guys. All right. All right. The markets finished up today. So the Dow was up 127 points. NASDAQ was up 176. S&P was up 34. Russell was down. All right. So let's take a look at the markets. Nothing has changed, though, guys. If you look here, all the sectors are down. Right here, all the indexes are down. VIX is still up. All right. We don't have any support and resistance right now on the Dow. So if you guys look here, right, still in the markdown phase. So nothing has changed. Sell short signal is right here. All right, that's for the Dow. Hey, Gary, welcome. Gary, welcome. All right. S&P, same thing here. All right, so S&P. Hold on, right here, S&P. Sell short signal came in on a break of support right here, right in the markdown phase. So we are totally out of stocks. All right, you guys know we've been trimming positions for months now. We were in some energy stocks, but now we completely out of stocks. Okay, including energy. NASDAQ. All right, sell short signal is here. All right, have support and resistance, purpose support and resistance. Any buying that comes in like today, right? Markets were up today. Any buying, we can consider that short-lived. All right, for now. All right. The Russell, guys, is at support. All right. So if we look here, right, the Russell is at a significant support. That support, I think it's about 1.5 years old. Okay, so support here, here, and here we are right now. Support. All right, so the Russell is definitely caught between support and resistance right now. All right, and again, this has been a while in the making. All right, so we'll look to see if we can finally break support. All right, break support and move lower here on the Russell. All right. The VIX is up. All right. Was almost at 20 yesterday. Retraced a bit because we got buying today. So closed today at 18. All right. 1858. All right. So more volatility coming to the market. All right. Equity markets. All right, let's take a look at the US 30. Right, we had a good short going on the US 30. All right, which closed. All right, so that short position closed today. All right, so two great shorts here on the 60-minute time frame. We're back on the 60. All right, those of you who hey, Mary, welcome, Mary, welcome. Those of you who scalp, all right, just, you can go long, but try to scalp in the direction of the overall trend, okay? So just stay short. You might get some long positions, but just try to stay short. Wait for those short signals to come in on your smaller time frames. Okay. So on the Dow, all right, on the US 30 on the daily time frame, we are breaking support here, guys. All right, we are breaking support. We might hold, but right now, we don't see evidence of that. Okay. All right. So just stay short. Everything says we are going lower. All right. So down, we're going down. Hey, Solomon, welcome. We're going down here. All right. On the daily time frame. And it's trending down. We're at 30 right now. All right. 30, which is high. All right. On that downward trend right here. All right. And if we take a look at your 60-minute time frame right here. All right. Definitely trending down. So Those of you, so we'll wait for another short to see if we can get another short signal. All right, that's the goal. Again, I know some of you trade the smaller time frames. All right, just make sure we'll start here. All right, just make sure that you focus on shorts. I'm not saying you can't go long. All right, but every time buyers try to come in, these green candles here, look at sellers really knock the price back down. All right, so every time we got some buy-in to come in, all right, every time price tries to retrace, look what happens. So all right, here also. So just know that, right, we're in the markdown phase. I'm not saying you can't catch, because some of these pullbacks you can get some really good, especially on the smaller time frames. But I would be very careful on the long side. All right, your better trades are on the short side. Okay, we might find support here. We might find support here. It's happened before. All right, it's happened before, but right now we have no evidence of that. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Let's take a look at the current positions we've got here. Now, the dollar index, right? I know we had some pullback, all right? Some pullback today, all right? So right now, the dollar index is down, retraced a bit today, all right? So you guys should have seen that in the dollar pairs, but it's still holding firm, all right? Buy signal is here on the dollar index. Nice markup phase going here. No support and resistance lines, okay? But it did pull back today. So let's take a look at those positions. One second here. If I can find it. All right, just bear with me, guys. We have so many systems here. Hold on. Hold on. I just lost it. All right, here it is. All right, hold on. All right. All right, Monster Systems Tracker. Let's take a look at the current positions in Monster Scalper. All right, and most of these are the dollar pairs. All right, dollar pairs. Like I said, we had a pullback, things retraced, but nothing has really changed. Okay, they all held the buy signals. Okay. All right, so USD MXN. All right, buy signal is here. Like I said, retraced today, but still holding. All right. Still holding here, nothing to do. USD CNH, all right, buy signal here, retraced, green candles here, resistance is here, so nothing to do. Hopefully we'll get some buy-in this evening. All right, USD PLN, this one closed, so red candle here. All right, so close this trade. USD PLN, close that trade. All right. USD HKD buy signal is here, retraced. All right. White candles. We'll continue to hold that one. All right. USD CZK buy signal is here, retraced. White candles. We need buyers to come back in. All right. USD DKK. All right. USD DKK buy signal was here. This one retraced. White candles held support here. Green candle coming back in. So buyers are coming back in. That's what we want to see with this pullback. All right. USD DKK. Dollar ZAR. All right. Buy signal right here on dollar ZAR. And that's holding right here. USD NOK. All right, buy signal right here, and that's holding fine. All right, so those are all the only pairs we are trading long are the dollar pairs. All right, let's take a look at the short positions in Monster Scalper. Short positions in Monster Scalper. All right, pound dollar. All right, sell short signal is here. All right, if the dollar moves higher, we could get the pound dollar to move lower. It has retraced. All right, so we got white candles there. We do have a purple support and resistance right here. So what we need to see is sellers come back in. All right, red candles. If you guys are in it, I think Solomon, you might have taken this. So if you guys are in it, all right, if it gets a green candle, get out. All right, but so far we can hold on the 240. All right, same thing here. Pound HKD, same thing. Sell short signal here, retraced, right? Just like the dollar pairs did. All right, so just be careful there. Same thing with Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar here and euro dollar. All right, so euro dollar, same thing here, right? Retraced right here. Sell short signal here, retrace, got some white candles. And now we've got sellers coming back in. That's what we want to see. Sellers come back in, test support, and hopefully break support down here. All right, so give them some time. All right, this is a nice, markdown phase going here. All right, so nothing has really changed. All right, and I know it's not pretty when they retrace, right, after you get in, but the move isn't over yet. All right, and that's euro dollar, Aussie Swiss, Aussie Swiss. Sell short signal here, and that's still holding, looking to break support here. And then we added some yen pairs. So ZAR yen, sell short signal is here, that's still holding. All right. Watch for support down in this area here. All right, so don't expect a big move with ZAR yen unless it just totally breaks support levels. All right, but just know you've got some support levels down in this area here. Swiss yen. All right, sell short signal is here. We've got a white candle. Sellers are coming back in, so that's good. Keep an eye on that. Euro yen. This yen short is a new short, guys. All right, so give them some time to work out. Sell short signal is here. Here's sellers coming back in to move that price lower here. Okay. Pound yen. All right. Same thing on the pound yen. All right. Sell short signal is here. Right. A reversal here. Sellers are coming back in. And remember, the markets was up today. Okay. All right. Expect during the selling, expect buyers to come in. All right. But there's a good chance selling will continue. Selling will resume. That's right. If we go in long against these markets, just have to be careful. All right. We really want to stay short. All right. Don't go long, or if you're going to go long, do it quickly. All right. Because the trend is short. All right. All right. Except for the dollar. Dollar is going long. All right. So pound yen, sell short signal was here, went down, retraced, and now it's heading back down. All right. So expect kind of moves like this here. All right. Doesn't go in a straight line. CAD yen, sell short signal is here. Great short going here with CAD yen, guys. Sell short signal is here all the way down here. You might find support down in this area here. All right, so we're bringing a support line to see how price reacts to it. All right, so good short going there with CAD yen. All right, and as we get more short positions, we'll add those, especially the yen pairs. Okay, remember the yen pairs will follow the equity markets, and the equity markets short right now. All right, Forex dominator. Let's take a look at those trades here in Forex dominator. All right, HKD JPY. All right, it's holding right here. Now this is a yen pair. All right, this one is still holding. All right, in Forex dominator. All right. However, if we get a white candle here, we'll close this trade. Right. We won't wait for a white candle. Resistance is right here, and that's gone up quite a bit. All right, so it's holding right here. All right, but you know, red candle will get out. SGD JPY, same thing here. Buy signal is here. It's moving higher, but it's high in that, high in that markup phase. So white candle will close it. Okay. Dollar pairs, USD, dollar CAD. Buy signal is here. That's moving higher, breaking resistance right here. So good trade going here. Right. That's a dollar pair. USD, dollar CNH. That's holding. USD CZK, buy signal is here. Again, retraced today, but still holding. All right. Nice markdown phase here. Good trade. Good chance we can get back up to this area here. If we can get up in that area, that's for a lot of pips, tons of pips there. All right. If anyone is in it, just steadily hold. Just hold. This one here, we can remove this now. USD DKK in Forex dominator, buy signal here. That's moving up nicely. Again, a bit of a pullback, but still in the markup phase. Trend line still holding. All green candles, nothing to do there. All right. USD HUF. All right. Holding resistance right here. All right. So we just need to break through resistance there. USD MXN. All right. Buy signal was here, but we got in right about here, and it's trading nicely there. USD NOK broke resistance here. All right, so nice break of resistance. All right, we can remove this. And so nice break of resistance right here. All right. I don't think this high should be a concern here. All right. So just let it run. It's getting past right resistance right here. All right. So past resistance right here. Buy signal was here, breaking out nicely. All right. USD NOK. All right. And then USD PLN, same thing. Buy signal was here. You guys know we've been watching this one as it continues to move higher, slowly moving higher, getting past, right? Hopefully get past the highs right here. So be patient with this, especially in Forex Dominator, right? I love trading this system, okay, because it allows us to be patient and we can catch really big moves, all right? You don't have to watch it every day, all right, with our Forex Dominator, all right? So just let it run, especially when we catch a rotation, like we are with the dollar pairs right now. All right, USD PLN, USD SGD, same thing here. Buy signal here on a break of this resistance. All right, we can go ahead and remove this, and now we're just following the trend line here. All right, so bring in your trend lines. All right, if you're scalping, you don't have to on the smaller time frames. Longer time frames, 240 and higher, I would say bring in your trend lines. And dollar ZAR, all right, buy signal is here. We waited to get in here. All right, so it's still looking to break out. All right, so those are the longs. All right. So notice most of these are long the dollar, right? Long the dollar. We don't have any shorts yet with the yen pairs. Still early. Some of them have, a few of them have given short signals on the daily time frames, but we're waiting for the weekly to develop. All right, but we do have euro and pound pairs short in Forex Dominator. So let's take a look at those. So Euro CAD sell short signal is here. All right, white candle came in today. All right, so we just need sellers to come back in. The Euro pairs are really mixed. Okay, so just be careful trading those Euro pairs. Okay. All right, just be very careful trading the Euro pairs. If you guys look here, and we'll take a look at Monster Scalper. All right, if you guys look here, all right, we are getting really good rotation. All right, so we do have a rotation, right, in the Asian market. So Aussie, New Zealand, and yen pairs are down. All right, so they're down, and they've been down for, I think, a couple of days now. All right, and then the dollar pairs are up. All right, so that's the rotation, right? Aussie short, yen, New Zealand short, yen short, and then the dollar long. But the euro pairs are mixed, guys. All right, but these will tend to go higher. These will follow, the euro pairs will follow the dollar pairs, and then the pound pairs, you guys know, they'll do their own thing. But these here, what we would like to see, all right, more buying in the euro pairs. All right, so right now they're mixed. That's why I say they're funky right now. All right, but we do have solid buying in the dollar pairs, right? Almost solid selling. This is new, right? But right, it's coming along in the yen pairs. All right, Aussie and Kiwi pairs. Okay. All right, and a lot of good volatility in Forex. We had 40. We have currently 46. I think it came all the way down to 57 above 20 in yellow. Now we've at 46. So we can't complain. We do have movement. We just need to make sure we're on the right side of these trades. Okay. All right. All right, so EuroCAD, sell short signal is here. We've got a white candle here. We just need sellers to come back down, break the support here. And this is pretty good support right here, okay? All right, EURSEK, all right, same thing here. Sell short signal is here. We need buyers to come back. I know this is, when we trade in this with these pullbacks, it's not pretty, all right? But EURSGD, sell short signal is here. That's holding. EURNZD, sell short signal is here. All red candles. We just need that price to come back down. All right. Pound Aussie. All right. Same thing here. Sell short signal is here. Holding support. We need sellers to come back down. All right. Pound New Zealand. Sell short signal is here. And that's holding. Okay. Again, the market was up today, so expect pullbacks in a lot of these markets here. All right. All right. No stocks. All right. So we don't have any stocks in Stock Boss. All right. Nothing in Bull Master. We will take a quick look at Stock Boss. All right, let's run it. All right, 11, guys. So absolutely nothing. All right, in Stock Boss. Bull Master, 10 in Bull Master. All right, so nothing here. Monster Short, we've been showing you guys Monster Short, right? So this is on the other side of the market, right? So they're shorting the market or they're selling, right? And let's look here to see. So if there's any If you guys are not sure what side of the market these institutions are in, this is better confirmation. So I think we had about 1,000 shorts in here the other day. Now 621. All right, very different from Stock Boss and Bullmaster. Okay, so just be careful with stocks. All right. Let's take a look at opportunities in Monster Scalper. So we're looking for new opportunities in Monster Scalper. Longs, and we look for dollar pairs. Now, most of these dollar pairs, we've sent out signals already. So dollar ZAR, right, that has been sent out. TRY, we haven't traded that. I don't think we will. SGD, we're in that one already. All right. And guys, if you have, if you're in any symbols and you want me to take a look at any of the symbols you're in, you want me to analyze anything, just let me know. All right. We have a little extra time this evening. All right. USD PLN, we're in that one. NOK, we're in that one. MXN. MXN looks good, guys. All right. So if you're looking for a trade, USD MXN, all right, really good setup here. All right, you know, really good setup, good markdown phase here. It's on the daily too. All right, nice big candles coming in, broke resistance here. All right, all green candles. That's on the daily. And look at the 240 here. All right, so nice break here on the 240. Again, a pullback, but this can be a really good area here. Here's the buy signal right here, and here's the price right here. All right, so not far from that buy signal. Mary's on here. Mary, yeah, I know you. When we buy right here, right, that's good. Ideally here, right, at that buy signal. But if you guys, you can wait sometimes, right? Wait and get in on that pullback as long as we have green candles. And if you guys look here, right, it's making higher lows right here. So we know buyers are coming back in. Held support here. Buyers are coming back in. All right, this is a good trade, and it's done a decent job on the long side here, and now here. All right, so USD MXN, that looks good. Still good to get in there. Okay. All right. USD HUF, wait on that one. DKK, we're in that one. CZK, we're in that one. So most of these dollar pairs we're in. All right. All right. Let's see. Let's Euro pairs. We just need more with the Euro pairs long. We just need more confirmation, guys. What we need at least a couple, 2 pairs to really lead, right? Get going, right? This one here might be a decent trade, right? Just remember, right? The euro pairs will follow the dollar pairs, all right? So they will follow the dollar pairs, right? And eventually, right, this will all turn blue, okay? But it might be too early here. So euro, let's see here. Euro CAD might be an opportunity. All right, so we have support here, and it held support. We have a white candle here. All right, so that's moving higher. That's on the daily. And the 240, let's take a look at the 240. With these euro pairs, you have to be very selective here. Okay. All right, so buy signal came in at right here, 143, right here. It's holding nice big candle here. We're gonna add that. We have a pullback here, right? Not a pullback. Markdown phase, really good markdown phase, and the daily is setting up. We need more buyers. So let's see here. So I guess it's about 50-50 there, about 50-50. Let's wait. All right, we'll wait on this one here. All right, we'll probably miss this one. All right, miss this one, but we'll catch the others. Right. This one here is setting up. So it's setting up. You know, buy signals are coming in after a really good. You know, look at this. Really good markdown phase. Buying will definitely come in. What we don't want to do is get in too early. All right. So we just need more confirmation. All right. So nice markdown phase. This was the previous markup phase. Right. Accumulation. All right. And here we are. Buy signal almost identical to this buy signal here. And this is Euro Aussie. All right. So we just need, they're getting ready. Right. We just need more confirmation. All right. This rotation in the dollar pairs, it's a fairly new rotation. Okay. So it's still early. Most of the dollar pairs are just now setting up their, getting into the markup phase. All right. So like even USD MXN, that's early, guys. That's really early. So we'll give the euro pairs some time. All right. Hopefully by the end of the week into next week. I'm thinking probably next week. All right. We could see more buying in here. All right. All right. Same with the yen pairs. The yen pairs still early, right? The yen pairs are not really ready yet. All right. They're still holding, haven't really gotten into like euro yen and pound yen. Those are the leaders, right? And we have sell short signals, but they're still holding. They're still holding there. All right. And then where's pound yen? Pound yen right here. Sell short signal on the daily, but still holding. But they will, if the markets continue to move lower, they will drop. All right. Okay. So just be patient. But the dollar is ready. Okay. All right. Forex dominator. Let's see here. Longs. We went through these yesterday. Dollar CAD. We're in dollar CAD. I think we missed dollar Swiss. We're looking for new buy signals. So a lot of these we've been in for a while. All right, so no new buy signals. Euro. Same thing with the euro pairs, euro pound. Look at this on in Forex Dominator. See, it's just sitting right here, guys. It's on the daily time frame. So they're holding, not quite ready yet. Euro PLN. All right. All right. That's all I've got there. Big picture, Dow, big picture, weekly time frame, right? We know we were looking to break through resistance, test the all-time highs. That's not happening. All right. That's not happening. All right. So we've had 2 weeks of selling last week and this week here. All right. 2 weeks of selling, red candles here. All right. So we're looking to go lower, perhaps test support here. All right. So that's the move right now. All right. That's on the Dow weekly. On the NASDAQ, right? It's holding support here. All right. But we no longer, right, above resistance, testing the all-time highs. All right. So remember that. S&P, same thing. All right. Right. Resistance failed. All right. And here we are. Lower highs, lower lows, right? One more day of one more week of selling, strong selling, we'll get a red candle, and all of a sudden we're moving lower. All right. So that doesn't mean we can't get that fourth quarter rally. All right. But in the meantime, that's where, we have to follow the price action. On the Russell, look here, lower lows, right? Lower lows, lower highs, right? This is a big, now the Russell will follow the other indexes, right? Mainly the Dow and the S&P will usually lead, all right? The NASDAQ also. But the Russell, if the Russell breaks this support here, we could see, right? It's the only one that's really close to a major support, right? And this support here, remember, previous resistance becomes support, all right? So this is 2018, right? 2020, where it failed, all right? 22, 23. So this level here, which is 166 on the Russell, is a big deal. All right. And just see how sellers came in heavy. Look at this gap down, big sell candles. All right. So if we break support here, right? We break support here. All right. And guys, go back to the videos when we do this, right? We've been talking about the dollar index breaking out, right? So if you go back and follow follow the videos, right? We have them where we rank, we list the episodes, right? Go back and look at this. There's a good chance, there's a very, very good chance that we could break through support levels here and then really push lower. Okay. So keep an eye on this. All right. Keep an eye on this. I know we have some option traders. All right. This might be an opportunity to get some puts. All right. On the Russell. All right. Now we'll see this price action in monster futures. All right. Monster futures. So, but this could be a really good trade. Your timing has to be almost perfect. All right. You have to know what you're doing. All right. So let's see monster futures. Short. Here it is, Russell. Right. E-mini Russell. All right. Look at that. Right. Look at this. We have a sell short signal on the weekly. All right. On the weekly right here, sell short signal. Look at support, almost identical, guys. You see that here? All right. And this is in the futures market. All right. So here we are. This chart here, all right, this chart here is identical, all right, to this chart here. All right. Identical. So if you're watching it as it approached this support line, right? And let's say you trade it in monster futures, right? In monster futures here, short, right? Here's the symbols here, and you can see here, right? They're definitely buying it. I mean, shorting it. And I'll be done with this. We'll be done after this. Right here. The Russell right here. All right. So we have a sell short signal. It's also on in the futures market. It already broke. Right? It broke. Give a sell short signal here on the weekly time frame, you know, and on the daily time frame here, it's already in the markdown phase. All right, and you know that if it breaks that support level, it could really go down further. I think this is what Peter traded before. Yeah, he went short the Russell, but look what this is the last time it failed. I think when Peter traded it, right, it failed, right? This is where it failed the last time, right? This time it might break down. All right, this time it might break down for sure. All right. So here it is here. Here it is here. All right. So, all right. All right, guys, that's all I've got. I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. If you guys are in the dollar pairs, just, hold on. Don't give up on them. All right. Don't give up on them. In Monster Scalper. Our US 30 traders, just remember, right? Short. All right. You can go long on the only on the smaller time frames. Okay. So if you're trading the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, I know some of you will only even trade the 1 minute. All right. If you do that, in US 30 or NAS, just be ready to get out quickly. I wouldn't go heavy on the long side. Hold on. So right here, all right. So just remember, right, this is what we've got going against us right here. So it's moving lower, right? That's a lot of selling in here. All right. So all right. Even if you trade, I know some of you have multiple time frames. So, right, keep an eye, keep your multiple time frames and watch them. All right. And just look for short opportunities. You can trade these pullbacks in here, but just know the trend is down. All right. Trend is down. All right. All right, guys. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for coming, guys. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.